he talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and today I decided to do a video on a quick, easy meal that you guys can make. Literally, this meal takes like 15 minutes. Somebody very close to me made me this meal one day, and I decided that I should share it with you guys because I eat this damn near every day. We're gonna make some rice and bean tortillas today. All right, very simple, very easy, but tasty meal. Without further ado, let's just jump into the ingredients, man. So let's start with the seasonings first. Just go ahead and grab you some black pepper, because you always need black pepper. Get you some salt, and then some garlic powder. Very simple. Look, 3 things, all you need. 3 musketeers. Get a red onion, corn tortillas. Go ahead and show them this, man. Now, I got this from Walmart. You can probably find like, a similar brand. It don't have to be this exact brand. This is the one I like to use. But this is a corn tortilla. You could try a wheat tortilla if you want, but for this recipe, the corn tortilla works perfect with it, man, trust me. Also have, the can is a little bent up, you know what I'm saying? Don't mind the bend right there. But I also have me some refried black beans in a can. Now, you can get the dry beans if you want to, but take my word for it, man. This is much more convenient than the dry bean one. The dry bean recipe for this, like the refried beans, it will take you like probably 3 hours because you have to soften it up and all that. So I got this from Walmart as well, just in case you were wondering. Old El Paso black bean refried beans. All right, so copy some of that. I got some Jasmine Rice. I got that from Walmart as well. Walmart, if you want to sponsor me, give me some discounts or something like that, coupons in the mail, just hit me up, man. You know what I'm saying? I got all this stuff from Walmart. So I'm gonna show you how to make this easy, quick meal with these simple ingredients, man. What is it? If you count the seasonings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. That is not gonna take too long, but it tastes amazing. Also, what I like to do with this recipe sometimes is I like to add some guacamole. Now, if you haven't seen my guacamole recipe, go check it out. Best guacamole that you'll ever taste, hands down. I took non-believers of guacamole to believers of guacamole. You know what I'm saying? It's fire. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this. Y'all stay tuned. So first thing first, you wanna heat up your stove. Put on about medium heat. I'm gonna show them this Iron Man stove, man, that Robert Downey Jr., you know what I'm saying? Just heat it up. And what you're gonna do is, also you need another ingredient. Not really an ingredient, but you're gonna get some cooking spray, all right? Now what you're gonna do is, this right here is a little trick, man. It's a secret that I learned. It's how you get your rice a little bit more seasoned. You're just gonna spray your pot down, spray it down a little bit, let that heat up. You could use oil as well. If you wanna use olive oil, you can use that. I'm just gonna use spray because I don't have any oil right now, but it works the same both ways. You're gonna heat that up. You're gonna take your garlic powder. You can also use garlic cloves if you want, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna use garlic powder. And I use this all the time anyway, so I don't use garlic. I don't use the regular garlic. I just use the garlic powder. I'm bringing them here, man, so you can see this. Just sprinkle it in there, man. This is gonna give your rice a lot of flavor, man, trust me. And if you have the regular garlic, you can just put it in there. Once it heat up, you can take it out or you can keep it in there. But I like to do this first. And while that's heating up, I'm gonna take the rice. Now the Jasmine rice, I love it. You can use whole grain if you want. You can use white rice if you want. But if you want it to taste like what I'm about to make right here, get you some Jasmine rice. Now the trick with this is if you use 1 cup of rice, just use 1 cup of water. 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. A half a cup of rice, what you think? Half a cup of water, you got it, all right? So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna make some for me and Roland. Normally I would do like a whole cup or maybe 2 cups if I'm like meal prepping kind of. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna do like a half a cup. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's close to a half a cup. No, that's not even close. It's a little bit over a half a cup. Really, you don't really have to measure it. Honestly, you can use like a regular cup and whatever, like if you put, let me show you right here. So y'all feel me, you know what I'm saying? Now, if I had like a regular cup like this, say if you don't got measuring cups, and say if I put like, you know, this much rice, right? You're gonna put that much water. So you don't really need a measuring cup, honestly. You can just kind of eyeball it. But you're gonna go ahead and throw that in there, man. Put that in there, and you're gonna mix it up. Get that garlic all up in there, man. Just mix it up a little bit. Mix it up a little bit. All right, only for about 30 seconds. Don't keep it in there too long or it's gonna overcook. About 30 seconds, let it heat up in there. And while it's doing that, you're gonna get yourself some water. All right, remember what I said. You wanna get close to the same, it don't gotta be perfect. You see that? We had about that much rice, we got about this much water. All right, so it's been about 30 seconds. Go ahead and just add it in there, man. You hear that? You hear that? The storm just calmed down. You heard that? Silence. All right, so go ahead and just put that in there. And then we're gonna cover it up. All right. Just kind of just mix it up just a little bit. Go ahead and put it on low heat. And I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna put it over here. Just let that cook. All right. Now while that's cooking, I'm gonna cut up this red onion. So y'all stay tuned. These onions really, man, they're gonna set it off, man. And I remember, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you already know about the white onions and the red onions. You know what I'm saying? I've been teaching y'all, man. Hey, I'm not only Chef T, I'm Professor T too. You know what I'm saying? I've been teaching y'all, man. Y'all gotta give me my props, man. Oh yeah. If you guys are new to the channel, we started a little challenge for my channel, man. We're trying to get me to 500 subscribers by Christmas, which I think is very possible, man. It's November 2nd right now. You know, Christmas is in, you know, a little over a month. We can definitely do that. Almost 2 months, actually. Christmas. You guys have been nothing but great support to me thus far, man. I don't see that impossible at all. That's very possible to me. So if you guys got some family members that's trying to become vegan, or just people that's interested in like entertaining videos, you know what I'm saying? Just direct them to my channel, man. Let's get to these 500 subscribers together. And at 500 subscribers, actually, we're gonna do another giveaway. My last giveaway was at 100 subscribers, which seems like it was yesterday, but you know, we got a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. So you guys stay tuned for that. And let's just get this thing popping, man. And once these onions get finished, we're gonna throw them in the pan and cook them up a little bit, all right? So y'all stay tuned. So the rice is still cooking up. You just wanna get you a pan and put them on medium heat. You know what I'm saying? Spray it down a little bit. Take those nice and diced red onions and just put them in there, man. Just, don't do it, Tom. Please don't do it. Just want to put that in there, man. Just let it cook up just a little bit. Now, if you feel like, you know, if you love red onions, you can go ahead and put more in there. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like red onions like that, just put a little bit. But I'm showing you guys how to make it the Chef T way, the official way. I ain't never stared you guys wrong yet, man. All my recipes have been A1, fire, flames, fuego. This is another one, man, in the books. I'm helping you guys out. Yo, my people, man. People always say, oh, vegans, what do they eat? Do they eat carrot soup? Do they eat grass sandwiches? No, we eat some good shit, man. I'm showing y'all right now, all right? I'm gonna show y'all a lot of recipes, man. You know what I'm saying? November, we're gonna grind it out. December, grind it out. We're gonna get to that 500 subscribers, man, trust me. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this up. Let it get nice, and you wanna get it brown just a little bit. And what you're gonna do after that is you're gonna add those refried beans, all right? Seem to be ready. Now I already know, man, before I even show y'all this shit, I already know y'all gonna say this shit looks weird. It looks like dog food or something like that, but trust me, man, looks can be deceiving sometimes, all right? It's, you know, it's packed in there, but that's okay, man. I'm telling you, look, I thought the same thing when I first saw it. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what the hell is this? But once I actually put it together, hey, man, take my word for it. So you're gonna put this in all in here. Put it in there with the onions. Probably should be using a spoon to get this out, but hey, man, we don't waste dishes around here. All right.
Looks like Gary's snail food. The most important meal of the day, serving up Gary's way.
This is where it gets interesting. Because a lot of you guys are probably like, man, anytime I try to mix it up, it just keeps sticking to the spatula. I had the same problem. See? That's why I'm here, man. I'm trying to teach y'all shortcuts. I'm trying to teach y'all what nobody else is teaching y'all out there, man. I'm not just Chef T. I'm Professor T. You're trying to do some quick recipes. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody has time to be cooking 30-minute meals and stuff like that. But you see how it's real sticky? You see that? It's kind of like, I'm gonna show you something. Get your little measuring cup or whatever you had. Just put a little bit of water, just a little bit. Just a little bit of water. You probably don't need that much. Put some water in there. Now look, this thing's getting nice, man. It's gonna give it a nice texture. It's gonna make it nice and consistent. All right, now if you got a little bit of extra water in there, that's okay. It's gonna dissolve. You see that? Now it's nice and you can mix it around a little bit. You see that? Because you added a little bit of water. Now those onions getting all up in there. Now you're just gonna mix that around. You're gonna play around with the taste. You got the salt and pepper, right? So this is where you're gonna put your desired taste of salt, your desired taste of pepper. Like I said, it may look weird. If you never had refried beans before, or they usually have like refried pinto beans. Black beans isn't as popular refried in a can as pinto beans. But if it's your first time ever seeing this, you'd be like, what the hell is that? Like, this dude got me over here making some witchcraft poisonous stew or something. Nah, man. Trust me. It's delicious. I haven't stirred y'all wrong yet. Just go over the top with it, man. I love pepper, man. Pepper is amazing. You just want to put pepper in there. You know, however you like. Pretty much eyeball it. I think that'd be good enough. It may look like a lot right now, but once you mix it up, all that stuff is going to dissolve. It's going to make some magic. The pepper got to me. You don't need to add too much salt because there's already a lot of sodium because it's in a can. Just kind of add a little bit of salt, man. Cook from the soul, baby. We're waiting on the rice to get finished. We're gonna go ahead and put this inside of a bowl and we're gonna cook our tortillas. Black refried beans inside the bowl. That's all ready to go. Now we're gonna work on these tortillas. I'll probably do like maybe 2 or 3 of them. But you pretty much, it's real simple, man. Take a tortilla, spray it down, put it on there, let it get nice and crispy, man. The rice is finishing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera, just make a couple tortillas. The rice is pretty much finished, probably like 1 more minute. And I'm gonna show y'all how to plate this. Y'all stay tuned. All right, rice is finished. Tortilla is finished. I'm gonna go ahead and, see that right there? Got 1 tortilla. We got another tortilla. You're gonna go ahead and get some of this refried black beans. Go ahead and just put it on there, man. Look at that. Just spread the wealth, baby. And like I said, sometimes put some guacamole on there. All right. After you get that, just go ahead and get a little bit of rice, man. Put that rice on there. Just drop it on the top, man. Do the same thing to the other one. Spread the wealth, baby. Yeah. I'm telling you, it's very simple, but it tastes amazing, guys. I'm telling you. Do it how I did it, man. You know I gotta give y'all a taste test. I can't leave y'all without a taste test. Just go ahead and just look at that, man. Come right here right quick, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. This looks like love. It's a big happy family. All inside of this. It's like a blanket. This blanket might go in my mouth though. All right. make this. Comment below if you make this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because we're trying to get to 500 subscribers. And I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? All right, guys, so today, November 2nd, 2018. Like I told you guys on my last video, I had a song that was releasing. The song is now up and available on, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, Google Play, if you got Android, Amazon, Amazon Music. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll put a link in the description. And whatever streaming services or music platform that you use, I'll go ahead and put those links in my description, so it makes it easy for you. So if you use Spotify, that Spotify link will be in the description as well. All right, so go check it out, man. And if y'all like it, let me know. Give me your feedback on it. If you don't like it, give me your feedback and tell me what I can improve on or whatever. But overall, I think it's a great song. I got a lot of good feedback on it so far. So by the time you guys see this video, it'll be up and running.